Good morning. Today on Customer States What? My car is howling. Please check and advise. And perform multi-point. Say no more. So we're looking around the vehicle. We could see, oh, the coolant's it's a little high, but it's clean. It's at level. Looking around and we see, ooh, we see a little spoils of war here. Somebody must have left the screwdriver. Looks like it's mine now. Oh, no Shrek piss. It's actually looking good. Looking around the car a little further, we got a Feifel deterrent device. About time somebody got freaking smart. You know what? Let's take it up top and see what's howling. Ready? Ready? All right, here we go. Which wheel bearing is no good? Oof. I don't know if you could hear it, but sounds like the left front. Just want to rule out the right front. So now that we took it up top, we ran the vehicle on the lift, we could tell we most definitely have a left front wheel bearing that's Googats. We definitely got a right front wheel bearing that's Googats. We got a bent rim. We got a flat spot in the rim. It looks like they hit the curb twice. We got a spot here and we got a spot there. Further we get down the vehicle, of course we have a rusted exhaust sleeve, leaking exhaust gases, pissing. Further we get back, ooh, ooh, we got some flavor. We got some flavor everywhere. Further you look, the more flavor there is. We got the driver's side in, new wheel bearing. They bought both wheel bearings and exhaust sleeve. Let's go. Oh, there are the old ones out. That's the passenger side because the driver's side's already installed. New wheel bearing in. The Googats has been fixed. One Googats fixed. Two Googats fixed. Three Googats fixed. Not fixed. Uh-oh. Alright guys, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.